I'm going to give you an answer for a question. The question is, why did dial-up modems make strange screeching sounds? Something like that. Well, now we'll give you the answer for the question, and the correct answer for the question is to establish a connection. So that's the answer for the question, to establish a connection. That's the answer.
Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Click the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video as well. And if you think that you don't really like this video, you can go ahead click this dislike button. Well, you can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can click the share button and you can share this video to WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and many other social media that are available on the internet. And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this button and watch this video later, or add this video to your playlist. Well, I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you again in another video. Have a nice day.